In this video, I'll show you how you can cancel a claim on GEICO. To cancel a claim online, you want to log into your GEICO account, and then you want to click on the Claims tab. From there, you want to select the claim you want to cancel, and then click on the Cancel Claim button. You then want to follow the instructions on screen to complete the cancellation. To cancel a claim by phone, you'll want to call GEICO customer service at 1-800-841-3000. You need to provide the representative with your policy number and the claim number you want to cancel. After that, the representative will walk you through the process of cancelling the claim. To cancel a claim by mail, you want to write a letter to GEICO addressed to GEICO Claims, PO Box 53280, Richmond, VA 23253 3280. In the letter, include your policy number and the claim number you want to cancel, and then you want to sign and date the letter, and then you want to mail the letter to the address just mentioned. Once you've cancelled a claim, it will be removed from your policy. However, the accident and attempted claim will still appear on your driving record. The payout would be listed as $0 though, which means a cancelled claim shouldn't affect your future premiums. Here are some things to keep in mind when cancelling a claim. You can cancel a claim at any time, but it's usually best to do so as soon as possible. If you cancel a claim after you've already received the payout, you will be required to return the money. If you cancel a claim after you've already filed a police report, you may need to contact the police department and have the report withdrawn. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you now know how to cancel a claim on GEICO. If you do, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.